So, good morning and welcome to the World Beyond Organic. And today we are privileged to have amongst us two distinguished personalities from London, UK, who are here to visit the farm. They are old friends of my grand uncle and grand aunt and business wizard. So, I introduce to you first Mr. Gautam Dalal, who started the who started KPMG in India. He introduced KPMG group to India, and also co-chaired the organization in the UK. Was on the board, and with him his equally distinguished lady wife, Dr. Mala Dalal, she's a very distinguished physician working in London. So it's my privilege and privilege of the entire farm and my co-workers here to have amongst us such nice, philanthropic, and generous guests. So we are honored to have you here, sir. And we'll take you around to the farm, and I'm sure you'll like it as much as I would love to show you around.
So looking forward to it.
Yes, please. So this is a food forest, sir. It's a food forest on the principles of Fukuoka. Means it is a vertically integrated farm. So you have the tuber inside, you have the vetiver, you have the black turmeric, you have the mangoes. We are growing black pepper onto the mango trees and so the other trees, kadam and the other trees here.
Right,
And everything here is desi, nothing hybrid here.
right.
Yeah, we don't believe in hybrid here. And it's full of black turmeric all around. Whether weeds, no weeds, you have black turmeric inside.
Right,
Fukuoka said that sunlight should not fall directly to the ground. It must come in a filtered way.
right.
Today, the world's biggest problem is heating of the soil temperature. That's the major thing. If you see, you have the problem of water resources now, and depleting. Punjab is a classic example of soil degradation
Right.
today. So, a small group of people, very but quite vocal, have led to this silent movement amongst people who share this common belief of saving the environment, and also ensuring that in doing so, they also improve the remunerative part of the enterprise, so that you can generate more livelihood, more employment to the people, and also grow a food surplus. This is a good example of a food forest. So now here we have the desi papayas, we have the guavas, the pink diamond ones, and the lohit ones that of Prayagraj, and Rangpur lime, Gandharaj lemons that we speak, and then you have mahogany in between, and all of them fix nitrogen. All of them create good humus, and so the whole end result is harmony with nature and harmony with people. They coexist. So we have been successful in creating a good ecosystem sort of a thing, where the workers and myself, we are all alike. Together from 9 to 5 we are one and the same. Of course, for me it's more of a supervision type of a thing. So both my manager here, he looks after the labor management, and and it's a very nice bonding that we have created. The girls look upon me as a father figure to them. Women as an elder brother. These are all trees of pink pepper. This is Brazilian berries that we call. They have been harvested. The harvest ended last month, end of till yeah. And I just will come across this is all pink pepper. This is a low grade timber, so it's very good as firewood. It's also the leaves have a lot of heat, latent heat. So if you have a heap of these leaves, let's say 4 feet here, in 2 days we have over 50,000 lemon plants in the farm, more than that. Yes. And equally same number of pink pepper plants. These are vetiver that we have.
Pink pepper?
No, vetiver, pink pepper.
This is vetiver. This is
वो भी दिखाना पचौली अगर आएगा इसमें.
These are
This is mahogany, na? This is mahogany that we have planted here.
Okay.
On the boundary, on the periphery. This is vetiver. Beneath the soil you have black turmeric, and they are bringing pink pepper plants for planting it now, the saplings.
Oh, I see. So they'll be planted in between.
Yeah, in between, yeah. So you have diverse plants here.
Right.
So that and interestingly, plants love to have diverse company. Like the way we love to have. We don't get monotonous.
How low is the water table here? Would be how
Around
many-
15 feet.
Sorry, brilliant. But you were mentioning that
Arsenic
in
content.
Punjab, there's degradation of soil and so on. If these techniques were used there,
No, they are doing now.
they're doing
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. There's growing awareness among it. Otherwise, how do you survive?
Sure.
How do you
Sure.
see the climate changes?
Yes.
The winter this year that we had, it's all due to climate change. Less trees. You cut 1,000 trees and you plant 100 trees.
Sure.
But when the condition that you cut 1,000, you must plant 10,000.
Yeah.
That's not happening.
And he has got 60 acres, is it right?
So these are all pink peppers, and this is timber one, the pecan tree. This is Subabul. This is a very interesting tree. This is the highest layer of, this forms the highest layer of sunlight filtration. That solar, so that we harvest solar energy. So this tree grows very high, 30 feet, 40 feet. And all these trees very low. Now we have a huge, all these trees are the same.
Yes.
So they filter the sunlight.
Sure.
Now the leaves form an excellent food for cattle feed, the leaves. Branches are good timber, low grade timber, and a substitute for fly industry, for fly furniture.
Right.
And the wood. So we are pruning the trees now.
And are all the trees and plants that are here, are they local to this area? Or are some of them...
Some of the like pink pepper is a Latin American,
Right.
yeah.
Right.
And Subabul, of course, in Southeast Asia,
Right.
full of it. And it's very invasive. You plant one which is only from seeds. Now these are all seeds, you would see. Seeds would fall
Yes.
down, and they would the new.
Sure.
It's very invasive. वहाँ जा सकते हैं पूरा वाला जो जमीन है
ना अथी जंगल छै घास कटले छै ने
अच्छा अच्छा
Jana, yeah?
हाँ हाँ
You can go.
yeah. पर कोई रास्ता निकालो अगर हम लोग जा सकते हैं वहाँ पे
वहाँ पे नहीं जा सकै
तो चलो चलते हैं
Water supply from it is naturally from
Natural.
the water table.
बोर
ए
hey talk without anything being talked to them and
Yeah. So these are all your cattle?
yeah
So दूध ये सब
yes
And how long cows give the milk after the calf is born?
after cutting around 6 months
Only 6 months.
so then they start filtering out
Okay. And this is normal? They conceive normally or artificial insemination?
both filtering but mostly now artificial and some part of it is consumed by us also
Yes.
but mostly for the dogs because they are or unethical or bad.
Yes.
तो लीची लोकली हम लोग बेच देते हैं
हाँ.
पर जब बडिंग होता है इसमें
हाँ.
तो अब बी बॉक्सेस आर ब्रॉट हियर
Uh-huh.
so the bees would take nectar from the lychee flowers so they make honey out of it
And where is
they
the
take because we have sent it to other places for mustard honey
What is mustard honey?
सरसों जब जो मक्की की रोटी सरसों का साग होता है ना so that fields where mustard is grown
Yeah.
so you leave it there
Like literally a piece of gold.
Yes.
It is almost like a piece of gold, isn't
बिल्कुल
it?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल to retire in Indian year, then you are mostly confined home.
Yeah.
Play cards in the evening at a club. Yeah, I don't even know how to play, but these are the some of the pastimes for the children. Don't have time for you.
Yeah.
They also busy in their own thing. See red flowers, just falling here in plenty, and then you'll have the cotton. This is very good for patients with neck cervical.
We don't disturb them.
They don't.
have no desire to disturb
These are all black pepper.
Ah, yes.
It takes 5 years to begin fruiting.
Right.
We have planted them in plenty, everywhere. Now we're going to extend all. We find them just.
And this, as you said, this is bamboo trees. What do they do? Just a preservation of soil? Why
No.
do they do it?
Study the farm, see the pH factor, see the soil system and all that. So we are expecting them in this month only. comes here and they're asking what is Purnia famous for and all that. So the government recommends the farm. So we have senior bureaucrats coming here, senior academicians, doctors,
Yes.
fellows, agricultural fellowship people coming here. इधर पानी लगवा दे बरो.
हाँ
This is why this is green and they are.
Yeah, because they will all dry up first now. Now after drying, then you will see green new shoot coming up.
Right.
Yeah.
And you know the air cooler में जो बैठे
हाँ same. Yes.
तो ये अच्छा बेच देते हैं?
Stepping on that.
Okay. Now this lady, she's her daughter.
Oh,
Second one, they have all the no, third generation is also there. Their children have also grown up to 10 years, 12 years and all that. They get married faster, na, at an early age, as I was telling you. Hey, वापस आओ. हाँ बिल्कुल. मैडम डॉक्टर मैडम कह रहे थे कि सब ले, अब जाके डिसाइड करते हैं सब ले, तोरा सब ले. एक हम खिचड़ी सब्जी उब्जी के साथ और दही अलग से. निशा कहाँ है? Is known as Patarki here, and all of them have nicknames here. So when last year when we would come every day. बता.
तो लाल वाला अच्छी होगी.
ये लाल वाला है, नॉर्मल वाला है ना? कल जहाँ से निकाले थे वो. This is the normal turmeric.
normal turmeric.
This is the normal
Okay, and the black one.
The black one निकालो, काला हल्दी निकालो. इधर आओ, स्काई. काला हल्दी निकालो.
है बगल चलो आगो.
Come. This is a. This is a black turmeric.
दिखाओ हाथ में आप.
And this color, हाँ.
ऐसे ऐसे.
That bluish color of the turmeric from inside, it's because of the camphor.
कटल जो न लाल अथी पे काला जो
Not the
है.
camphor, the darker the
Darker the color. And typically, how do you use it in? Do you use it in cooking or is it?
No, not in cooking. You use it as a kadha. That's you steam it in water
Yeah.
and add some pepper.
Very good. It's got a much higher concentration of curcumin and it's been used for medicinal quality. This is black
turmeric, boiled
turmeric.
Oh, I see. And then that's what.
Yellow turmeric,
हाँ.
on an all India average, the curcumin content is only 2 to 3%. The Salem variety, which is the much celebrated one, that has a maximum of 3% a year. And the same turmeric at my field has a curcumin content ranging between 5 to 9%.
And the black one?
Black one is 15, 17, 18 days.
Really? So the Tata Institute has done a joint venture with them and
The Tata Group has, I was telling you yesterday.
they are going to use this curcumin.
We're already using it in the, we have planted around 5,000 or 25,000, 25 tons of turmeric has been
So
sown.
how do you
Where do you
plant
get the
it?
seedlings?
Now we propagate it here. One. That yellow Kajal, she's getting married this month.
Kajal, आप खड़ी हो.
Kajal, khadi ho ek baar. All these Budhni and all that, they have returned from their in-laws place.
Very nice.
And their husbands also, they want to settle down here. And that, where is Bechna kahan hai? Damage the crops, you know.
Clouds, there are
Just been 4-5 years that I started black pepper. Pink Patti river flows from just outside the village, and it is known as. And now we would request Gautam sir to. He's such a learned gentleman here, and a financial whiz-kid, financial genius here. So we would want to. I would request him to share his impressions on the farm and how he felt being here. Over to you, sir.
Sure. Well, thank you, Baiji. Thank you for showing us around. It's really, it's difficult to convey how special this place is. It works on really normal principles of farming, which is no pesticides. Mala,
his name is Israel.
Mala,
I'm coming.
just stop. Wait, I'm trying to video something.
Yeah, please.
Sorry, Baiji, thank you so much. It's been really
Please.
Have you finished?
Yeah, I did.
Let me start again.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bhaiji. It's been a really special morning. One of the things that really has surprised me is the extent to which the natural principles that you've talked about have really been put into place here and is flourishing. And we're talking about not an extensive time period. The work has been going on for the last 5, 6, 7 years. And the change in the environment, the temperature changes, the extent to which in the filtered light, how wonderful it was to walk without feeling hot at a time when actually the daytime temperature is now much higher than we would have expected.
Yes.
And the way in which simple principles of making sure that no pesticides are used, different plant groups which have been planted in the area, which allows you to run an economic farm, although it's only 60 acres with a small group of women, and it is all the people who work on this farm are women, and they're being looked after in a very enlightened way, is what I would say. It's really very, very impressive, and you shouldn't and you shouldn't be afraid to talk about it.
No.
I would encourage you to do more about that. It was also very interesting to hear that the Ministry of Agriculture is taking an interest
Yes.
in what you are doing, and there is a potential for a research program to be conducted here. And I would certainly encourage you to do that, because I think what really this should be being multiplied 1,000 times.
That's true.
So anything we can do to encourage you to do that will be wonderful.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
No.
And now we'd request Dr. Mala to tell something about her impressions on the farm.
And I was just very, very impressed yesterday when I went round. Particularly, I was just delighted to see the black tuber. As he mentioned, a lot of us have never seen where this turmeric comes from. And black tuber is the black turmeric, which is like about 10 times more potent than yellow one. It's the first time I have seen that, and with a camphor scent. The other thing was very impressive is you are looking after these 50 girls stroke women, and particularly I think going through their sort of the teenage periods and then marrying them to a good people and let them work beyond that. I would love you to continue supporting more girls, and just to wish you. And the other thing I loved it is about this diversification. You mentioned unity in diversity for humans, and the same thing is for the plant kingdom.
Yes.
And as a result, it's thriving. And even the Prime Minister Modi ji is encouraging these young students from cities to come and visit these farms, because they have no idea where these our herbs come from, where the bananas come from, where the milk comes from, and you can show them and make. And the last thing I would like to say is, you also mentioned that living in harmony with the nature, it calms you down as well. So it's very symbiotic relationship with the nature and us, and you are trying to give the perfect example of that.
It makes you a better human being. That's one thing. That's
And
the
we are giants, so it's
Yeah.
all about non-violence and living in harmony. And Anekantwad is more than one point of
I would
view.
like to discuss Ekantwad with you. I have studied philosophy. I'll just discuss
Yeah,
that with you.
thank you very much.
So thank you,
Thank you.
Gautam sir and Mala ma'am. It's been a real pleasure having you here, and because of you, the farm would be better known. Would be known to it will have a wider audience, a wider reach, because of people like you here. And so I can the humility that both of you have shown. I mean, we learn a lot from your humility as well, and it helps us improving ourselves. So before I end, let me tell you what I tell you every time. Keep watching, keep appreciating, keep criticizing, but don't forget to watch the regular video updates from Summer Shell Natural Farm, Ramnagar, which is the pride of Bihar and India as well. We are trying to focus it on the global platform, and we are partially successful in that also. And so we will see you again with a new update with new visitors here. and the story of Somershell Natural Farms, which is named after my late parents, will continue to inspire and people to emulate this model. Thank you so much. This is Bhaiyaji signing off from here.
Thank you.
Thank you.